Kevin, we gotta start working, bro. You don't want to do nothing today. Mark, just park it. just park it, Mark. This is what we're gonna be installing today. Mark, you wanna open that? Take it out. Oh, there we go. There's everything we're gonna need. But first, we gotta take that plate and put it inside here. So let's get that done first. Before we even install it, we gotta check, we gotta plug everything in, making sure everything works. I learned that my first time. So just make sure you guys make sure you guys do this too. So just plug it in. I have a mess in the car, don't worry about it. And then so we press the button. Close. That's it. Now turn it off, nothing happened. Turn it back on. Yep, it works. So this is what I'm doing right now. I took out the plate. I'm gonna leave this right here. And then I took out the light, the tail light. So this is how you can take it out. There will be 4 screws, one here, and then one here. So after that, you can put it aside. You don't have to take it completely out. And then just put the wire through it. Hold up, Kevin. Hold it, Kevin. Hold it, Kevin. There we go. There we go. Now stick the wire. Stick the wire. All right. Now we can get this. Pull. Okay. Hold it. Let me keep pulling the wire. Yep. There we go. And now right here, I'll just attach this to the frame right here, and that's about it. Bro. So I have the plate already installed. It's not moving. It's not going anywhere. The wire, I'm gonna tuck it in like on the outside. That way, when it's like that, you can't see it. And then I just gotta put this back and get this cord all the way to the back seat. That's what I'm gonna do right now. This is how it's gonna look when it's open. And then this is what I did with the wire. Ran it through the trunk, on the side of the seat, went back over here, got it out right here. And then I'm gonna just make it nicer in a bit, run it down, connect it on the back right here too, and have it right here. So let me turn on the car right now. So I turn it on. Let me turn it on right now. I think it's work right here. Hold on. So one thing that you have to do is replace the factory fuse from the cigar spot. I upgraded mine to a 30 amp, so you can do the same. You can do a 30, and then just go ahead, turn the car on, whatever. You can either leave it off or leave it on. I always leave it on. I don't know. And then you can connect the other, like kind of like the antenna, to the third spot. I think it's this one right here. And then that's everything you need to do. You can control it from this button right here, or if you have the antenna, you can also control it through the remote. And this is the final product. Yep. So yep, this is how it looks good. I hope you guys like it. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know, and I'll for sure do it. I will also leave a link on where I bought this, so you guys can get it if you want to. Just remember, just use this, you know, don't use it on the street. Just mainly when you go to car shows, or like stuff like that, you know, don't use it on the street so you don't get in trouble. And peace out.